Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you are a memory keeper, this video is for you. So I got some of the RachandBellaCrafts digitals. They have an Etsy shop, also social media accounts. I will leave everything linked in the description. And I mean, I am impressed about their digitals. The quality is so good. So I put together a scrapbook layout, and I am going to show you how I came up with a prototype and putting things together, right? Let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the process and the final 12 by 12 layout and art. Hello my crafty friends. So I am going to show you how I'm putting this scrapbook layout. I am going to replace the ones in my craft room. I have like a 12 by 12 frame art, and I use these gorgeous, I'm talking about gorgeous digitals from RachandBella, and I am going to leave the link to their Etsy shop, and also they have a Facebook group. So this is a prototype that I was thinking on putting things together. And yeah, this is a picture of myself from last year when I went to New York for a late fall trip. And yes, I took this picture, and you know, you can see the Empire State Building, and I am going to come closer. So yeah, it's me, and let's go ahead and put things together. So talking about the prototype, right? This is my plan, but however, I like to remain flexible and things might change. So I use RachandBella digitals, the collages. I tear them up, I place them strategically, you know, to balance out the eye, and just to match the color. You see how the color has this yellow kind of orangey type, and I'm gonna come closer. You see how we can match, and that's how we memory keepers, also called scrapbookers, we work with the colors of the and the theme of the photos, right? And then you see all the browns. So okay, how I can tie these layout, I used these. This is from the Simple Stories Fall Collection. One of their sheets. It's the only one. Then everything is RachandBella. I fussy cut this gorgeous maple leaf, and believe it or not, their digitals, their images are just phenomenal. I have purchased in the past digitals from other stores that I'm not going to mention because I don't want to roast anyone, but let me tell you, I have a simple, super simple printer. It's a HP Envy, and it's an inkjet printer. I didn't use like a special paper. I just used copy paper, and the quality, I mean, it's just phenomenal. Look at this note. Yeah, I'm saving those other ones because I will have like another video where I can show you, you know, the folio that I'm putting together. So again, try to create and bring all the colors from the picture, right? I don't have a green, but there's green, you know, embedded in these digitals, right? So I am going to come back because this Simple Story, a kind of polka dot paper, needs to be, I want to say, quite down or calm down the color, so there's not that much contrast, because we already have browns that we're picking up from the buildings. And when I come back, we're just gonna start putting everything together, right? So I am back, and I'm gonna come closer, zoom in again. And what I did was I stitched this tier paper fabric and these trims, right? So I can place it there. And the nice thing about these digitals is that you can just customize, do anything, right? Because it's like a collage. I'm gonna show you like a collage where you can just like cut pieces, and that's what I did, right? So let's see. So here's my main piece, and then I am going to anchor and put my photo here. And I mentioned before why I selected these kind of like dark polka dot papers, just to go along with the photo, right? And I'm probably going to turn off the light so we don't get glare. Alrighty, so now the next part, it's going to be, I believe I have it like that, and like that. So I am back, and I put my little story, and this is the 12 by 12 layout, and now I am going to switch it to one of the art pieces. So I have this frame that I bought at my local scrapbook store, and it fits perfectly 12 by 12 layout pages, right? So I am going to, right now I am removing these out. So this is like a nice way to display your scrapbook layouts, you know, as a form of an art piece. And yeah, so I'm removing this one and I'm going to add the new one. And yeah, I left the threads just to look at like a little bit grungy, right? So now I am going to put this one here. And then close it up. I don't want to close it up too much because these things can get like loose. Like the ones on the bottom, I don't have it anymore. Okay, so here we go. So here is my art piece. A scrapbook layout using RachandBella digitals. So here is the final result of the scrapbook layout. As you can see, I added a couple of maple leaf stickers just to balance things out. So this is where the layout is now. So thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.